Halima from France.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam tullah.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, for my grammatical error and my bad English. Sir, I noticed that it is only when I want to pray that I pass gas. So rarely outside prayer, which makes me to perform ablution twice per prayer, at least 3 prayers per day. Should I continue to perform twice ablution, 2 ablutions per prayer, or I should stop and continue to pray, sir?
No, you have to offer wudu ablution as long as it this minimal, once or twice for prayer, that's fine. The problem is when the gas is continuously coming to the extent that it introduces real hardship. So you perform wudu like 10, 15 times per prayer, and there is no gap that you would feel that the gas would stop. In this case, yes, you may make wudu and pray, but having this once or twice only, no, this is negligible.